Hello everyone. Today we learn about the very important topic in C, that is functions. First we see what is function. A function is a block of code which is used to perform a specific task repeatedly. That means a function is a reusable block of code which is used to perform a specific job or task repeatedly. The main purpose of using function in C is it is used to avoid writing the same code again and again. That means we can write the code at once and we can use it multiple times. Now we see the syntax of writing the function. The first which is given is return type. Return type means it tells us what type of value a function return or gives back. That means it tells about the type of value like integer, float, character, etc. And the important thing is if the return type is void, then the function does not return any value. That means the function returns nothing if the return type is void. Void is also a data type like integer, float, character, etc. The next thing is function name. Function name, it is an identifier used to call the function. You can choose the function name according to you, like add number, multiply number. The next thing is parameters. Parameters are the inputs given to the function inside the parenthesis. That means they are the input values given inside the parenthesis, like int a, int b. It would be like float a, float b, a, char b, etc. The next is return value. The return statement. Return statement is very important. It sends a value back to where the function was called. If you don't understand the return statement, then it's okay. We can see it in detail in the next part. Thank you.